All right, guys, I'm here at one of the most trustworthy builders in San Antonio, Texas. DR Horton, America's builder. This is one of the best builds you'll find, and they always have the best deals. This home we're taking a look at is discounted to $384,950. This one's a 4-bed, 2-bath with a 2-car garage, and it's 2,024 square feet. This home comes with everything, fully landscaped, really good incentives, and right now DR Horton is offering to buy down your interest rate to a 4.99. And even better, you can lock in a home like this brand new for only $500. Let's go take a look at it. We are in a highly desired neighborhood. We are at the Riverstone at Westpointe. This one here has a combination of stone and brick. Very nice combination, fully landscaped. The grass was just put in. We're getting some nice rain out here, so your grass will be intact. Nice entryway. Everything that you see is standard here. Got your smart keypad. You got a nice door. Off to the left, you got 2 rooms. One here, pretty good size. You have this 2nd bathroom. It's got good space for your guests or the other bedrooms. This is the other bedroom, 2nd bedroom here. Good sized closets. Enough space. Enough space for your kiddos or anybody, roommates. As you keep going, you got this very large island right here in the middle. You got some backsplash already implemented. That white subway tile, nice granite. Comes with these appliances. This is a gas community, gas range stove, your microwave, and then you have your stainless steel dishwasher. You got a deep sink right here. And then off to the left, you have another bedroom. Good size. Same size closet. Off to the front left, you got another coat closet. As you come in here, you have this huge living area. You have this luxury vinyl flooring right here. Looks like wood tile, but easier to clean, easier to maintain. And tucked away in the back, you have your master bedroom. Really good size. You can put king size, California king, whatever you prefer. And then this right here is awesome. You have your double vanity sink for you and your spouse, or you and yourself, but there's 2. Nice stand-up shower. A lot of space over here for towels and other stuff. You have the toilet tucked away, but the door has its own space right here for privacy. And then this large walk-in closet. It's got a lot of space. And then comes with all the blinds. All the blinds are included throughout the home. Blinds get expensive sometimes, so. And you have a good size covered patio right here in the back. Easily fit some outdoor furniture, some chairs, a table, and then a good sized yard. There's nobody behind here currently. In the future there may be, but as of now, there's nobody. Good space between your neighbors. Nice trees growing already. And again, the timing right now, we are late January, so it does get a little cooler in San Antonio, Texas, which is why the grass is the way it is, but it'll turn green. So as I stated at the beginning, DR Horton's offering some really good deals, covering all your closing costs, buying down your interest rate. A lot of stuff you just can't pass up. Currently, they're offering an appliance package. So you get your fridge, your washer, dryer when you move in. That deal is only valid for a certain amount of time, but nonetheless a really good deal. And this neighborhood is incredible. They're having 2 full amenity centers built. One of them is already finished. The other one is gonna be started around the springtime, but just massive pools. Look it up. DR Horton is known for the best amenity centers here in San Antonio. If a deal like this is something that interests you, you're relocating, or maybe you're renting in San Antonio and you're ready for that move, really good payments, really good deals. The goal of this channel is to make sure that we find the best deals for you and do all the legwork. Let us know what you thought about this one. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the best deals here in San Antonio. We appreciate you taking this tour, and we'll see you on the next one.